Hi guys, welcome back. Today I've got another simple and fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam pumpkin topiary for fall. And so what you'll need is one of these candlestick holders from Dollar Tree. I've got some of these gemstones that are peel and stick. I picked these up at Walmart, but you can find them on a half sheet at Dollar Tree. I have got a paintbrush, some hot glue. I've got some loose gemstones here, which I may or may not use. I've got some silver glitter, some silver paint. I also have some Mod Podge. And then I have 3 pumpkins in various sizes. And so I think I did mention to you guys that I have the hot glue as well. But these are the items that we'll need to create this Glam pumpkin topiary. So let's get started. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be painting all 3 of these pumpkins with this silver paint here. And 2 of them I will have to remove the stems from. But I'll wait until after the paint is dry before I do that, because it's just easier to have this little stem to hold on to while you're painting the pumpkins out. So, So now I'm going to go ahead and add some diamond gemstones to this candlestick holder. And I did go ahead and paint the inside of this candle holder with silver paint. So that's a step you can take, or you can just leave that out. It's up to you. Okay, so now that the pumpkins have all been painted out and they're dry, I'm going to go ahead and remove the stems from 2 of these, and these are the 2 that actually won't need any stems. So I'm just going to twist it gently like this. And it just pops right out. Okay, now that I have all of my pieces with the gemstones and everything added to it, now I'm just going to go ahead and start assembling the topiary. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? So now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video.